Next up, what we're going to do is we're going to pipette. Here I'm going to demonstrate how to use a 10 to 100 micro pipette. We're going to use the yellow tips. So what you do is you open up the tips, gently press in until you have a tip that comes out. Then we're going to use water. Here we're looking at calibrations and accuracy, so we're going to use distilled water. And you're going to first take your tip and you're going to put it into the water, and you're going to bring it in. There are two stops to the pipette tip. So there's the first stop, you pull it down, push it down, and then there's the second stop there. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to wet the tip. So you're going to put it into the water. You can see that. And then we're just going to bring in some water and back out a couple times. This just wets the tip. And once that's over, I push to the second stop, just to make sure that it's there's nothing there. Once the tip is wet, I push down to the first stop. I put the pipette tip just below the water line. You don't want to stick it down very far because you're going to add pressure to push up water into the pipette tip. So just below the water line, and release to bring in your water. Then when you're done, you're just going to slowly drag it across the beaker that you're taking it out of. And you're going to look at the tip and make sure there's no bubbles on the outside or on the inside. Here I see that there are no bubbles, so for this calibration, I'm going to put it in. So I'm going for 100 microliters, put it onto my weigh boat, and I need to make sure that I close the door. Then we wait for a few minutes to let the weigh stabilize, and we can see that here this pipette, I put 100 micrograms in, and it should be 0.01 grams. So this means I need to calibrate this one.